Hello, today we are going to be making Flaming Hot Cheetos grilled cheese sandwich. We're gonna make our grilled cheese sandwich in the sandwich press so it's quick, easy, without mess. Let's get into it. We're gonna smack up our Cheetos now. Let's build this sandwich here with the Flaming Hot Cheetos. We're gonna go ahead and spray on our butter so that we have the buttery taste on the outside. We're gonna go ahead and throw our piece of white bread down. We're gonna have our first piece of cheese here, and then we're gonna take our crumbled Flaming Hot Cheetos, put that in the center right there. Spread them out so they can get nice, ready to go. Okay, we're gonna throw our other piece of cheese to melt on top. Then we're gonna have our other piece of bread. Now what we do is we go ahead and plug in our cooker. Our light has gone off, telling us that we are ready to go. We want to make sure that when we pull stuff out, we use a plastic spatula. We don't want to use any metallic spatulas. All right, so we have our sandwich ready to go. Now it will crease it in the center, and then we have a little secret to be able to cut these up perfectly and get them ready to eat. Quick wipe for cleanup, and we're ready to move on to the next one. So when prepping these, we like to use a pizza cutter. We'll come through the center where it's perforated and cut through so that it's ready to eat. All right, so it's all sealed up and ready to go. You see it's sealed all the way along the crease. We have the buttery flavor on either side that's toasted in. You can see that we have the Cheetos melted inside. You got the crunchiness, the spicy flavor, but it's in between the ooey gooiness of the bread.